Welcome to AutoHashMining.com. This video will guide you on how to use the AutoHashMining.com platform to automatically cloud mining and get amazing cryptocurrencies. First, log in your account. If you do not have an account, please complete the registration first. And then click Buy Miner Contract. You can see that AutoHashMining.com provides 8 types of mining contracts, and you can choose the one that suits you. For example, you can select Preparation for 30 days contract, click Choose button, and then enter the purchase amount. The larger the purchase amount, the greater the hash power. Then choose the payment method. AutoHashMining.com provides multiple payment methods. And finally, click Spend. The system will display the amount of cryptocurrency that needs to be paid and the payment wallet address, and then you can complete the payment. After the payment is completed, you can see automatic mining has started on the dashboard and hash power has been increased. Thanks for watching.